In the Emirates ATP Rankings, defending Wimbledon champion Andy Murray is at number 1, with Rafael Nadal in second. Switzerland's Stan Wawrinka remains in third. Recent Eastbourne winner Novak Djokovic is fourth. In fifth, it's Roger Federer. Sixth is Marin Cilic. Then it's Canada's Milos Raonic, with Austria's Dominic Thiem in eighth place. In the Emirates ATP doubles rankings, Kubot and Melo are in top spot, ahead of Continent and Piers. Then come Murray and Suarez in third. In fourth, it's the Bryan brothers. Dodig and Granollers are fifth. Harrison and Venus in sixth. Then come Cabal and Farah ahead of Klaassen and Ram in eighth place.